I am a team leader. I'm helping Anne Tammiksalu, who's supposed to compete with two dogs, two border collies, yes. But unfortunately, Rika hurt her leg and spine, so she cannot compete. So Anne is competing only on Saturday with one dog from Estonia. Yes, because Rika was very experienced dog. She is already 8 years old, and it is very young. It's first World Championship for E.T. But we hope for the best. E.T. is very good, not very confident, but good. So we hope that everything goes well. She is a bit uncertain and she afraid horses. So it's quite hard to walk these aisles where horses come by. But she can concentrate very well. When Anne says that, look at me, she goes and forgets everything else, so we manage.
What are your goals for tomorrow, for the first day?
Tomorrow was supposed to be Rika's day, so Anne is competing on Saturday. Yes, and we hope we can do our best, no zeros. And first grade, of course. So we don't think that we will win, but we hope so.
Thank you.
Yes, and to the finals. We get the place to the finals.